Here's your flash briefing. In weather. In St. Thomas Mount Campalabram, it's 32 degrees Celsius with partly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect clouds with a low of 29 degrees.
Hello everyone, I'm Dixon Selvan here and I'm here to unbox Amazon's Echo Dot. Well, many of you guys might have of this already, but join me and have fun in opening this new Amazon Echo Dot. I bought this one for a project in Element 14 community. Let's now pull the Echo Dot out. It's quite disappointing to see a paper package for a costlier device. Oh, it almost tripped out. So this is what I was trying to say. You don't have safety while keeping your Echo Dot when not in use. Okay, we have some paperwork down. Let me try to read. Oh, it just flipped out of my hand. Okay, let's try to read again. It's getting started. Documentation. Okay, I'll keep it aside and we'll see what else we got. We got a long sturdy USB cable, and that's a micro USB cable. Let's keep it aside, and we have more documentation coming. And here we have some things to try list, and these are the commands which can be used in Amazon Echo Dot. And let's keep all these away, and now move on to another section where we have the adapter head, and it's black at the top and white at the bottom. That's pretty amazing. And now let me just connect it to the power plug and power up Amazon, and there you have nice blue light. And here you go.
Alexa, what's the news today?
Here's your flash briefing. In weather. In St. Thomas Mount Campalabram, it's 32 degrees Celsius with partly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect clouds with a low of 29 degrees. From NDTV News, latest news.